Let's talk about geographical pricing. If you expand your business across states or international lines, you will need to consider geographical pricing. Geographical pricing involves setting a price point based on the location where the product is to be sold. आपने देखा होगा winter clothes you find it cheaper in a not so cold regions. Another factor in geographical pricing could be based on the supply and demand. For example, imagine you sell sports performing clothing. You may choose to set a higher price point for a winter clothes in your cold climate retail stores than your warm climate stores. You know, people are more likely to buy the clothes in the winter environment, so you set a price and take an advantage of the demand. If you want to find out which is the right strategy for your products and services, you can get in touch with us and write to us in the comment box below, or you can WhatsApp us and we assure you will help you with the right solution.